Mashonaland West, long regarded as a bastion of ZANU-PF dominance, is showing growing signs of political fatigue, with the ruling party its poor turnout in key internal party processes reviews a significant drop in support. Zinapenda mashoko arikuda pangwa ino yonuka kunzi au matrix, now they are widening mu ZANU-PF, especially ku Mashonaland parikuonekwa kunzi pava nema infighting, parikuonekwa kunzi pane madisputes ari kuitika kuma grassroots uko. Zanapenda mashoko anodanyirwa panguva ino noti subscribe like on the bell icon. Ndivyo mnamubudanyi kwa mchinzi. What was once a guaranteed support base for ZANU-PF under the late former President Robert Mugabe now appears to be slipping away from President Mnangagwa's grip. The party's self-verification exercise, a crucial step in selecting Central Committee members, has been met with widespread apathy, internal disunity, and even silent protest. In some districts, the message from grassroots members is clear: they are losing faith. In Sanyat, the party is scrambling to replace expelled member Blessed Geza, whose call for Mnangagwa's outstar resonated with the growing faction disillusioned with the current leadership. Even with high-profile figures like Mines Deputy Minister Polite Kambamura and businessman Jimaya Mudori vying for the spot, enthusiasm remains low. More striking, however, is a frustration with the party leaders themselves. In Chagutu, she accused local officials of stoking disunity and sabotaging the process. Let this be a clear warning. This behavior is unacceptable. It will not be tolerated at all, she warned, revealing the level of infighting and rebellion festering within the party's ranks. As ZANU-PF stumbles through internal restructuring, the law engagement signals more than just logistical hiccups. It points to the political tide slowly turning in a province where loyalty once came without question. For the opposition and civil society, the message from Mashonaland West is encouraging. The political monopoly that has long stiffed change is beginning to erode from within. Tomash warikuda pangwa ini arikunuka kunze aiwa kumashonaland pangwa ino vanhu vakuluza faith kune mutungamiri wenyika Mashonaland Mnangagwa. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.